Okay, so I'm going to make a quick video here on how to buy OMI coins with, I'm just going to use a Cash App account and BitForex. So first, you should have a Cash App account already created. I'm going to go ahead and launch my Cash App account. And over here, you can see I have some Bitcoin already purchased. So what we're going to do is we're going to send the Bitcoin from Cash App. So I'm going to hit this send button over here on the right. And I'm going to send Bitcoin. And let's just say here, for our example here, I'm going to send $1,000 in Bitcoin. So I'm going to go ahead and hit send. And now there's an address that we need to send it to. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my BitForex account, which you should have the BitForex account and the Cash App accounts created and authenticated prior to doing any of this. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my BitForex account. And I'm going to go to deposit. So I tried doing US dollar. Let's say I want to put it in $100 or purchase $100. You get this confirmation that pops up, says they're using a third-party company, an Estonian company. I didn't really trust putting my using that third-party payment. So instead, we're going to transfer Bitcoin from our Cash App. And we're going to transfer Bitcoin in. So you can either scan this. If you pull up on a computer, then you can use a QR code. I'm going to do everything from my iPhone right now. So there's an address down here. I'm going to go ahead and hit copy. So that's the wallet. That's the address I'm going to send the money to here on BitForex. So if I come back over here to Cash App, I'm going to go ahead and put my address in here and click on this external wallet. And I'm going to click next. And please confirm your withdrawal of Bitcoin to this address ending in... you just look at I'm just going to look at the last 4 digits here, the last 4 characters, just to verify that it's the correct address that was input. I'm going to hit confirm, put in my PIN number, and now I initiated the withdrawal. And you can see my account just dropped by $1,000. So you should get an email. Okay, so it's been about 25 minutes, and I just received a notification from Cash App saying that the withdrawal has been confirmed, and I just received an email here, which also shows that the withdrawal is now been confirmed in the blockchain. So now we just need to wait for it to show up in the BitForex account, which, there, now it's here. Okay, so we'll continue. If we go to our wallet account here on the left, we're going to see if I'm just going to hit hide zero balance. So now we see our Bitcoin. So in our wallet is where this money comes in. We need to transfer this over to our spot account so we can buy the OMI coins. So I'm going to click on Bitcoin, the BTC, and we're going to transfer this within BitForex. We're going to transfer it from our wallet where it currently resides, and we're going to transfer it over to our spot account where we can do our trades. Over here, what I found is on the right-hand side, if we click all, this little green button, it's going to enter how much coins you have. But because it's always fluctuating the value, after you click all, it's best to click transfer right away, is what I found. So I'm going to click all again and just hit transfer. So now it's all transferred over into our spot account. So let's go back and back again. And so now what we're going to do is, actually, let's go back to the main screen. This is our home page here. So what's kind of confusing is if we click on the wallet, you can see the wallet here. And now if I hit hide zero balance, we don't have any Bitcoin in our wallet. If we click spot and we hit hide zero balance, you can see our Bitcoin is now here. But this is not where you make your trades. If you go back out, this just shows this is just a balance between the wallet and the spot account. If we go back to the main page, on the bottom, you can see the spot account. This is how you go back and forth between the home and then spot. So this is where we're going to make our trade. So we're going to go to spot, and right now our Bitcoin is now here. So we're going to go on top. We're going to do a search for BTC, for Bitcoin. And this is going to bring all the, so you can convert Bitcoin to lots of different currencies. Right now, there's no direct transfer from Bitcoin or conversion from Bitcoin to OMI. So what we're going to do is we're going to convert Bitcoin to US dollar. So let's see here. Should be BTC, here it is right here. BTC to USDT. So we're going to click that. So what we want to do is we want to sell all of our Bitcoin. So we're going to click sell, and we're going to sell it all, and then click the 100% button over here on the right, and that'll convert all of our Bitcoin to dollars. So let's go ahead and hit sell, and let's go ahead and put in your password that you created. And so now in our open orders down here, you can see that it's in our sell. There, I just hit refresh and it's gone. So now what we're gonna do is now we have cash. So we're gonna come back into here and we're gonna hit OMI because we wanna buy OMI. And now this is the only conversion we have is from USDT to OMI. So we're gonna click that. So now we wanna buy OMI and we wanna use all the cash. So let's hit 100% again. And you can see that it's all the 995 coins are there. So let's hit 100% and we're gonna buy OMI. Punch in our code again. And now here's our order. And if we hit refresh, still there. Depends how much volume is being traded. Nope, still hasn't gone through yet. But once it goes through, it'll show up in your wallet. So yesterday it took me, I think for one transaction was maybe 5 minutes, and the other one took closer to 15 minutes. So we'll come back once this order goes through. Okay, so it only took a few minutes, and now you can see that the order went through because it's no longer in our open order. So let's go back to our home screen. And what we're gonna do is we need to transfer money out of the spot account back into our wallet. So let's click on the wallet, and we can see our spot account. So I'm gonna click on spot. We can see we still have all of our, here's the OMI coins sitting in our spot account. So let's click on the OMI. And you can see here's our 88,000 OMI coins. So we're gonna transfer this from our spot account and we're gonna send it back over to our wallet. And we'll click all and transfer. And that's it. So let's go back. So on our spot account, there's fractions of US dollar and Bitcoin that still remains in there just because the conversion rate. But if we click on our wallet, hit hide zero balance, now we have all of our OMI coins here. And so I hope that's been a helpful tutorial on how to buy OMI coin just using your iPhone between the Cash App account and BitForex. You can obviously use other programs like Coinbase Pro, but I just wanted to do something simple, and Cash App for me was the easiest to use.